Hey guys, let me guide you through all the accessories and additional equipment which I have on 850 that just can give you idea what you can also install and what you need. And also keep in mind that all those things can also be applicable or can be installed on 900 platform such as 900 GT or 900 Rally. So let me start from the top. Here is Cobra handguards. 850 comes without any handguards. This is SW-motech Cobra. You mount it in 2 points here and here on the bar. Only one concern which I have about it, as you can see, it's actually scratches the bar. So if it has any sort of rubber inside, that would be much better. But because it does not, you can see you have few scratches up here, which is basically not good for the aesthetics of the motorcycle, and I will see how it performs long term. So would it go any further, or it's just what I have, that's it. Rather than that, it feels really solid, really robust for any situation you might face on your trip or during the time you use your motorcycle. So next, let me show you a couple of small upgrades which I have also here. So that is SW-motech phone and navigation mount. It's kind of like universal mount, and this mount comes with a couple of options. So you can mount the phone, and you can mount navigation such as Garmin, but you can also, because it has one inch ball here, so you basically can buy this head from Quad Lock and you can install it onto the bike, and then you can use your Quad Lock case if you wish. Also, like say you ride your bike in the city and you prefer to use Quad Lock, and then you want to go to for a long trip, you can just replace it with a mount for Garmin and place let's say Garmin navigation system here, which would be for long journeys, I think, a little bit better. So it's kind of versatile thing, not expensive, but really allow you to play around with different options. Here I also have USB charging port, because as you remember, 850 comes without charging port. It's not a question for 900 platform, but for the 850 you have to have, this is basically a must-have solution. Of course, if you want, you can also do the same for 900, because in 900 platform you have this USB charger under the seat. But if you want to use your phone here and you want to charge it here, it's better to have additional USB port here. And then there is a DIN port, which is I believe super rare, and you don't really want to use it because it doesn't have proper solutions for charging. All of them are kind of unreliable in my view, but what this solution gives me is that you have USB port here, you can charge your phone, or let's say here I have mount for magnetic tank bag, SW-motech as well, so it's like magnetic pro magnetic tank bag. And you have some gadgets here in the back while traveling. Let's say it can be your camera, or it can be your phone, or it can be maybe tablet. So you basically can use your USB port to charge your devices in the back, but also you can use DIN port to charge your active device here. It can be again navigation on the phone. So it kind of gives you a little bit of flexibility in a way how you can use all of those ports. But for longer trips, for any journey you want to go for, that would be really nice setup. So here also I have heated grips. Tiger 850 comes without heated grips. Not the case for 900 platform, but here you have to install them additionally. So it's 3 modes, and I believe really comfortable. Tried it in the rain, tried it in cold weather, not so cold but like cooler weather. Performs really well. Next would be this luggage system, which is again SW-motech, tracks ADV, and like 3 cases set. So you have left or right, left, and top case. And the good thing about the system, because it has this kind of quick lock mounts, So basically, if you don't need your side cases, or let's say whenever you ride in the city, you can easily just less than a minute you can just detach it from here and keep on the top case. But then if you decide to go for a longer trip, you can again very quickly attach it to the bike, and you have this setup, 37 liters, 45 liters, and like 40, I think 40 liters in the top. So altogether give you quite nice capacity. And also you can see that on the right side is a little bit slimmer, and this one is a little bit wider. The reason why, because you have this exhaust system on the right, so in order to maintain same symmetry, let's say, on the motorcycle, yeah, this side is a little bit slimmer, but nevertheless it's just, you know, enough almost for anything, because you can also attach tank back here, and it can be extra 10 to 20 liters tank bag, which is also enough capacity for, you know, for carrying any goods you have. So we have these protective bars on the sides. They also have 2 points where you mount them, here in the top and down there. So they should be able to protect bike if it falls on the side, and they also mounted here so they don't bend if the bike lays on the ground. That really nice thing to have, and I believe that everyone should have it for the bike. 850 comes without any central stand, same for 900 GT and 900 GT Pro. So yeah, I believe that is like really useful tool for any bike which is meant to go for a longer distance, because whenever you're on the road you need to maintain your chain, or you need to do any work on, you know, on wheels, like in the back or in the front. You can basically place bike onto the central stand, and you can maintain the situation much easily. I think it's just like really convenient solution, and most of the bikes basically should have it. I heavily advise you to buy it and to install it onto your bike, because that just simply will help you, you know, to do certain works, not only on the road but also in the garage when your bike is parked. So that's, guys, you know, pretty much it. Any questions, let me know, and keep in mind that all of those extras will also be easily fitted onto 900 platform, just in case if it happens that you have one. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.